Good morning, guys. What are you doing in my bed? So I wake up this morning and see this yellow pawpaw on my bed. So Malani is above Mokaka. You just to go and cook now. We're back on it.
I'm hungry.
So I need to go and brush my teeth now.
Don't brush your teeth.
So Mayo do Talamu here now. But right? Eh, me already gizzard. Me da marry gizzard lui. No, pepper sauce. Akijari toothpick avec your.
Pepper sauce.
Ni mure. Embela. Be pepper. Oni va kineki be pepper ma wakido. Maybe they know how met. Me are you bank, so they know how met. When they are crazy go wa. So many the melare increase or chichi.
Because we are on your next morning now.
So what is it? Maybe me akiji on now dinner. Be well Elena. Elena is Saturday.
No, Friday.
Okay, Elena Friday. You Elena, right? So major tab on time, yeah. Close.
Maybe they will open 10 o'clock, Abby.
They open, yeah, 9 something. Me and Larry on reaction. So let me breathe something. We are going to be cooking oil rice this morning. Accident rice. I want me dry fishy will go on ya. So I'm done with bank. So let me go and get some bell pepper to do this what is it called? Gizzard sauce. So you'll be using toothpick to pick it and eat it. I like enjoyment too. So let me go and pick up car, then buy. I don't like going to supermarket because I take what I don't supposed to take. I don't know. I'm done doing shopping now because they just call me again. I should buy water. So I'm going. It's time for oil rice. And let me take it before you know make it away piece and you know them. Happy. Leave there. But he drink not me say may not drive now like he drink today. Question is if it's too much, you know. I go eat, but if it's too much, you not go sweet. She's asking me. Okay, favor na human being. Can you read that for? Oh, where's the papa mail? Where's the papa? That's your favor. You go eat. There is fresh fish, oh.
Yeah, I'll use fresh fish.
You will remove one. You will favor. Will eat you. Favor. You don't want to eat fish, but you will not eat the fish now. You just remove the only fish.
I'm not there. I'm away.
You You are students.
Accident rice. Yaki, your vice done, madam in Giza. Before then, Giza, you meant.
You know the guy go kill him.
Who? Who go kill him?
He go kill very dark man. Now this is Daniel toss. Bodyguard. That one way. That one go kill him. That one must.
But he get the one when the first made the ad.
Yemoli na woman.
Yemoli when they talk, he go talk. He go talk another one again. This very dark man, eh?
I wanted to bring her.
Okay, that one when they pour spit.
Daughter, mom. They say tell the girl muscle.